The Toyota Land Cruiser is an iconic SUV that has been on the market for over 60 years. For decades, it has been a symbol of adventure and reliability and therefore became a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and adventure seekers around the world. As we approach the year 2024, Toyota is gearing up to release the highly anticipated next generation of this legendary vehicle after a 3-year break in the US market. The old Land Cruiser, the LC200, was larger and heavier, being the flagship SUV in Toyota's lineup, whereas this new Land Cruiser is based on the recently introduced Lexus GX 550 and considered as the successor of both the LC150, also known as the Land Cruiser Prado, and the second-generation J150 Lexus GX. So would this transition from the bigger SUV to the smaller and lighter be the game-changer Toyota is looking for in the SUV market? Let's find out. The history of the Toyota Land Cruiser dates back to 1951 when the first generation was introduced. Over the years, the Land Cruiser has earned a reputation for being one of the toughest and most reliable vehicles on the market. The latest version of the Land Cruiser, the LC200, was no exception, even though it was geared towards being a luxury vehicle. In some markets like the Middle East and Australia, this big SUV is selling like hotcakes, but in the US sales hasn't been that successful. That's why Toyota halted sales of the LC200 for almost 3 years, then decided to reintroduce the name once again, but based on the smaller platform. However, sharing many of their platforms with Lexus, American buyers can still enjoy Toyota's flagship disguised as the new LX. So what do we think about it? Let's start with the exterior. This new Land Cruiser not only will be lighter, but it's expected to be less expensive than the LC200, with prices starting at $55,000. The retro design of the Land Cruisers may also appeal to many buyers. For some, it looks like a perfect successor to the FJ Cruiser, especially with the Toyota grille and round headlights of the base model, while the mid-spec model has rectangular lights. Overall, we think the design elements of the new Land Cruiser, like the flared fenders and a raised grille, give it a unique personality and a feel of ruggedness. Additionally, the vertical windshield pillars optimize the driver's vision during off-road excursions. Some of the key improvements that Toyota announced include a 50% increase in frame rigidity and a 30% increase in overall rigidity and enhanced stability. While the implementation of advanced wheel articulation technology should boost off-road performance. Another critical upgrade in this model is the adoption of electric power steering. The company says this reduces steering control loss while enhancing maneuverability and lane tracing assist. The incorporation of a stabilizer disconnect mechanism allows for improved driving performance and ride comfort off-road, as well as increased handling and stability on-road. In terms of drivetrain, the US spec Land Cruiser is fitted with an electric hybrid 4-cylinder powertrain that boasts a turbocharged system which is used in other Toyota and Lexus models. This engine is mated with an 8-speed automatic transmission alongside a full-time 4-wheel drive system, both of which are supported by a 2-speed transfer case. This configuration puts out a maximum output of 326 horsepower and 465 pounds-feet of torque, allowing for up to 6,000 pounds in towing capacity with the aid of a standard receiver hitch. Fuel economy details have yet to be disclosed. Experts are anticipating a marked improvement compared to previous Land Cruiser models, which struggled with low fuel efficiency due to their hefty weight and V8 engines. However, overseas version will have other engine options, which includes a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, a 2.7 liters 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engine, and 2.8 liters turbo diesel engine. So to answer the question we asked at the beginning of this video, we think the answer is yes. This new generation, with all the refreshing styling cues and new technology bits it has, could be the game-changer Toyota is looking for in this segment, making it an ideal choice for families or groups of adventurers. Let us know what you think about the new Land Cruiser, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button.